Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app lets you pay for eligible purchases using a Disney gift card, including mobile food orders, lightning lane purchases, merchandise, mobile checkouts, and more. While you can't save a Disney gift card as a permanent payments method, you can enter its information during checkouts whenever you make a purchase. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to pay with a Disney gift card in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for staying on budget during your Disneyland visit. Okay, so first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app. Starts by launching the app. Open the Disneyland app, sign into your Disney account if needed. Now you are ready to make a purchase. Okay, then begin your purchase. Choose what you'd like to buy, for example, mobile food order, lightning lane purchase, merchandise, mobile checkouts, other eligible in-app purchases, and then continue until you reach the payment screen. Okay, so then choose Disney gift card. At checkout, tap use a different payments method if necessary. Select the Disney gift card or Disney gift card and Disney reward redemption card. The app will prompt you to enter your gift card details and then enter your gift card information, and now add your payment details. So enter your Disney gift card number or scan the barcode if that option is available. Enter the security code or PIN if requested, and verify the payment amount. Okay, so by this, your gift card balance will be applied toward the purchase. Okay, and after that, complete the purchase and save your gift card for future purchases. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.